Want to create this? So let's get started. Create a 1080 x 1080 composition and place your footage inside it by creating it in a 1920 x 1080 comp first. Now add a GTA San Andreas PNG. You can easily find one on Google. If you want, you can also create your own random abstract shapes instead. After that, start creating masks on your clip. Then duplicate that same layer and rename it to Mask 2. Remove the previous mask from it and create a completely new shape mask. Repeat the same process and create 2 more different shape masks. Once all the shapes are created, select every layer and press Ctrl plus Alt plus Home to center all the anchor points. Now trim your masks like I did, according to your beats. After that, duplicate your layer and create a quick white flash effect. Now pre-compose all the layers together and enable motion blur. Then add the S_blur MO curves effect and create a smooth zoom out animation. Next, create an adjustment layer and add S_shake. Adjust the amplitude and frequency according to your preference. If you want that hard Fictic style frequency shake, keep the frequency around 20-25. Once the shake is added, Place your text inside the pre-comp layer. And your effect is done. We finally hit 2K subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love and support. From the first upload to now, every like, comment and subscribe truly means a lot. Seeing people enjoy our edits and tutorials motivates us to create even better content every day. This is only the beginning. More crazy edits and tutorials coming soon.